myself a great fan with a fantastic remote control that controls absolutely everything that you need in the fan. I no longer have to go and climb up there to be able to change any settings of the fan because I could do it all right here. So for example, during winter and summer, your fan direction changes counterclockwise and clockwise. You can just press that button right there. You can just press that button right there and it'll change the direction of your fan. This button is to be able to put the fan noise on to be able to sleep, because there are some people that need this noise to be able to sleep. So this button is there. Okay, you have a timer, 1 hour, 6 hour, 3 hours right there to turn everything off. Your on and off button. Okay, you have 6 speeds in the fan to use, and then you have the turning off the fan. My favorite part, every time we buy a fan, the light is just set to one light. Here you have 3 different modes. You have the warm white to make it very calm, then you have the natural light to make it look normal, and then you have your bright white, okay? So that is my favorite part about this, is that I can control the lighting. And not only can I control the mood and the tone of the light, I can control the intensity. So again, this is one of my favorite products for my family room, because this fan, everything can be controlled through one remote control.